We now have to see the breakout on Intel. Today, we analyze Intel Corporation. However, by actually looking at a higher time frame, we are perfectly able to determine where Intel will head next in the near future. Therefore, looking here at the monthly chart of Intel, before we start with our technical analysis, we first have to determine the underlying trend. Back in 1986, Intel started a substantial bull run of approximately 18,500% towards the upside. Then at this psychological $70 level, you can see we witnessed a substantial rejection away towards the downside. And exactly at this level, Intel created the previous all-time high. Ever since, you can see Intel has been ranging and is now trading at the exact same level as it was approximately 20 years ago, meaning that for the past 2 decades, Intel has overall been moving sideways. Price action, however, has been totally clear. You can see that starting back in 2009, Intel established a substantial support trend line with multiple retests followed by quite substantial rejections away towards the upside. In 2021, Intel once again retested the previous all-time high, which was created in the year of 2000. We actually saw what's called a triple top formation, where you can see we actually had 3 retests of this structure followed by 3 major rejections. After this triple top formation, Intel then actually broke below the support trend line and created a massive drop of approximately minus 70% towards the downside. During this drop, Intel also created a bearish break and retest, where you can see at this psychological $45 level, we had a bunch of support, which after the break towards the downside was turned resistance. And then we saw an even steeper move towards the downside. Over the course of the past couple of months, however, you can see that Intel has overall been moving sideways. There are actually a couple of reasons for why this is now considered a bullish accumulation, and we might actually see a substantial move towards the upside soon. First of all, you can see that starting back in 2006, Intel established a substantial horizontal support level, and always when Intel retested this structure, we saw a quite nice move towards the upside. Therefore, it's already more likely that we now formed a bottom on Intel and we will now see a massive move towards the upside. If we look at this consolidation, you can also see that the consolidation looks quite similar to the one which we saw back in 2022. Intel dropped, created a consolidation, and then actually rallied approximately 100% towards the upside. So far, Intel only rallied 30%, which means that more continuation towards the upside is extremely likely. Third of all, you can also see the massive cycle behavior on Intel. We always have crazy moves, which are then followed by crazy counter moves. Also during this move towards the upside, crazy move towards the upside, crazy move towards the downside, crazy move towards the upside, towards the downside. So we always have beautiful impulses followed by corrections. This is the third reason for why it's extremely likely that we will now see a move towards the upside. I'm personally simply targeting the next resistance towards the upside, which is sitting exactly at this psychological $45 level. As I mentioned, just simple previous horizontal resistance. So from here, just simply looking at some technical analysis, it's quite likely that Intel will rally another 80% over the course of the next couple of months. If you enjoyed today's analysis of Intel and you found it helpful, I really appreciate if you smash the like button below this video. Obviously, the moment Intel actually manages to break above this minor horizontal resistance at this $25 level and then finally confirms the move towards the upside, I will immediately update this analysis, so make sure you check back every once in a while. I will see you tomorrow with a fresh breakdown. Don't get caught up in any of the short-term volatility. Keep your long-term vision.